Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we learn how to enable draw V to turn on the torch light and draw O to open the camera and the lock screen in Oneplus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone. Then you need to choose system settings from the list. Now you need to click the gestures and the motions. Now you need to select screen of gestures. You can see draw and O to open camera and draw a V to turn on off torch light. So O and V the gestures. Now we lock the screen. Now I draw O to open camera. You can see when I draw O, camera automatically opened in the lock screen mode. So when I draw V, torch light is got opened. So it's very accurately opening, you can see. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.